Have you been underwhelmed by the jalapeno poppers that you get in a restaurant? I'm gonna show you how to make not just the deep fried ones, but also a bacon wrapped grilled one today. Super easy, and they're gonna be a new favorite in your family. First thing you're gonna do is cut the cap off of the jalapeno. You're going to slice it long ways in half, and you're going to take out that white portion and the seeds. And I use a melon baller for that, which makes it nice and easy. So what you want to end up with is a nice jalapeno little boat that doesn't have any cuts, and it's kind of got that shape to it. Now that I have the little boats of the jalapenos without the seeds, I'm going to take some cream cheese and I'm going to spread it on the inside. This is for the grilled jalapenos. You can put cheddar cheese in here, it'll get nice and melty. I find that on the grill that the cream cheese is perfect for me. So I'm going to fill it, just smooth it right out. I'm going to wrap that piece of bacon around there. And if it's too long of a piece, you can either keep wrapping or cut it off. Now they're all wrapped, ready to go. You can see I have them on that little tin sheet that we're going to pop onto the grill. I'm also going to add on generously some garlic powder over the top and some paprika. The paprika will give it that nice color. The garlic powder gives it the taste. I don't need to salt this at all. It does have bacon on it, so that bacon's going to give it that nice saltiness. We're going to put them on the grill and go medium heat until they've kind of rendered down a little bit. And then once they've cooked down, we're going to put them under the broiler to give them that nice crispness to the bacon. So let's go put them on the grill. The next popper is the deep fried popper. Best to use fresh jalapenos. You don't want them soft because they need to hold that frame. We have milk, flour, and breadcrumbs. And we're gonna mix in some cheese and some bacon on this. Now, you wanna make sure that your cream cheese is softened. You can add in cheddar cheese, any type of cheese you'd like. I'm gonna add in some bacon. I did fry this beforehand. I would not put raw bacon in the middle of this because they're not gonna get hot enough to cook that bacon for long. We're just cooking them enough to get them golden brown on the outside. So cook that bacon prior. We're also gonna add in a little bit of garlic powder. A little paprika can go in with the breadcrumbs. We're gonna add in just a little bit of salt, and we can just mix that around. Now that we have this all mixed up, mind you, you could also put in slices of the actual jalapeno in there to make it a little bit hotter, but we're gonna take it just like we did before, and we're gonna fill that cavity up. And you can see this one is much chunkier. And just keep repeating that process until all of them are filled, and then we're going to bread them and then fry them up. Now it's time to give them that good crispy breading. So we're gonna just put them in just a little bit of milk, all the sides, and then coat it with flour. And to give them just a little bit extra crisp, I'm gonna put it back in the milk, but this time we're gonna put it in the breadcrumbs. And then we're gonna cover it up, all the sides, and you have your jalapeno popper. Set that off to the side. I'm gonna fry these up. I'm putting them so that cheese is pointing downward, not overcrowding the pan. And we're gonna just watch them sizzle and get all nice and brown, and then we're gonna flip them over and we're gonna let the other side get brown. The reason I do it cheese side down at first is because I don't want that cheese to melt out. When I flip it, it's gonna be very warm, and that kind of that boat that we made with the jalapeno is gonna keep that cheese inside there. You're just gonna fry them for about 1.5 minutes on each side, just till they're golden brown.
Okay, ready for a taste test?
Of course.
Let's do it. Which one are you taking?
I'm doing the fried.
I'll do the grilled. All right. Ready?
Ooh, the cheese pull.
Oh, good. I like them both. Switch.
I'm gonna have to decide. Comment below, do you like the grilled or do you like the fried? It's a toss-up in our family. You can find the recipe for this at the end of the video, but don't forget, there's a lot of recipes on the YouTube channel and check out beatyourneighbor.com in the blog area.